Hello guys, in this video today I will be showing you the best tank nation for you to play with. So let's begin with saying what I've played and what is my opinions. So as you can see here, I've been playing with the American tanks. On my other account, which I sadly lost, I was playing the Ussr tanks up to the T-34 lineup. I also played the Germany a lot. Britain, not really because they're slow. So let's get to my opinions and which I think is the best. So USA, they're fast. You can get some good shots, you can flank, and you can get out fast. So that's gonna be my opinion about it. If you like being fast and you like flanking and stuff like that, and later on in the line you get some um gun and launchers, like rockets. And America has in the late tree has really good tanks like the AIM-1, Abrams, and stuff like that. Then go for the America. Germany, they're they're known to be good because in their later lineup they have Tigers and stuff, and these are really strong. I also found Panzers being really good. They have a good cannon. Um, they're not too fast, but they're not slow. Um, they also can take a punch, and they have some extra stuff like modifications. Where is it? I think it's not on this tank. There's a tank where you have this modification. This one, smoke screen, smoke grenade, and that basically releases smoke around your tank. So if someone is shooting you, you can release the smoke and basically drive out. They won't be able to see you. So yeah, generally the Panzer line is really good. And then goes into tanks and Panthers. This is really amazing, and these are too. So they're average all around, good for beginners and stuff. Now, USSR. I was playing this mainly. These tanks are fast, and T-34s they can deflect some really good shots. They can make for amazing plays. But the thing is, though, is reloading time is 9.3 seconds, and the reloading times on most of these is big. I was playing with this ones. Reloading time is 23 seconds, so if you miss your shot or it gets bounced, you're pretty much done. So in the late ranks, you'll be need to be hitting your shots, um, and you may not take a punch. Yeah, with a 234 you may deflect it, but if you do get shot, it may end up bad. I remember when I was playing BT5 and BT7s, this thing, if you take one shot, you're down. Like, let me just show you. Where can I see it? Oh, it's here, my bad. So, armor. You see, there's really a thin armor. So one shot right here is gonna take all the crew out. So, this is like generally with the tanks. Like, let me see this one. I was playing this one before. This is not bad armor, but if you get shot here, pretty much done. So they can be easily taken out, but the late lineup of um, IS tanks is not bad. But the reloads, as I said, is 26 seconds for this one, which is way too much. So you need to be good at shots, and you also need to accept that you won't sometimes take a hit. You're gonna deflect some, but you're not gonna stand many punches if you do actually get hit. So I would say this is more for intermediates that know how to take shots. Britain, I tried it once on the other account. I didn't really like it. The tanks are really, really slow. Yes, some have good armor, but they're really slow. So to be honest, I just get bored when I play these. I get really bored, so I just can't play it. Um, Japan, I didn't try it. China, I didn't try it. Italy, France, Sweden, same thing. I didn't try any of these. Why? Because I don't really trust in them. There's a tank in Japan, which is basically a joke. This Kami tank. This tank is a joke. This armor is 12 millimeters. This is not a tank. This is a joke. That's why I don't play these tanks. The later versions may be better, but I don't want to play in something like that. So you get one shot and you're done. Even machine guns will penetrate this. So I don't really play these. Um, my opinion would be if you're starting out, uh, play Germany. They have really good tanks, and in the late game you're gonna enjoy it because you have fast reloads. Let me just show you. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 4.8 seconds, 4 seconds, Tiger, 9 seconds, but that's not bad. Remember, 5.3, let's go to the here, 5.3, 43 seconds for this one, 9 seconds, this is not too bad, 10 seconds. So Germany overall has really good tanks. So start with these and do not go for these ones. These you need to know positioning and how to aim because these are tank destroyers. They have really good turrets. Cannons, um, but it can be easily killed. So my suggestion would be go with these and go with these two lines. Uh, so you will get Panthers and Tigers. These are best lineups. And if you're starting, if you're a bit into tanks and you know how to play shots, you could either go with USSR for the T-34 lineup, which is awesome, and also these lineup if you know how to play shots. Even I was having difficulty with these tanks. And trust me, it's really annoying when you find the person, you don't hit the shot or the shot gets bounced and then you're dead. It's really annoying. So you could go for these if you really trust yourself and you can hit people with it. Other way I would suggest is you can go with USA. USA tanks are not bad. They do have medium tanks, they do have big tanks, they have light tanks. All of these are pretty nice. I personally enjoy this lineup and this lineup, both awesome tanks. You could also go for the M10, which is really awesome vehicle, really good. If you know how to, if you want to rush and stuff, it's really fun. So could go for this. Um, Personally, if I was playing, I would either go with USA or Germany uh, for my level because I like them both, really cool. But I like USA right now because I just wanna rush and flank and then get 2 kills and then back off, and stuff like that. So yeah, try to avoid these. Try to avoid Britain. They're really slow. I just don't suggest them. Um, the best ones, in my opinion, would be one would be Germany, the second one would be USA, and the third would be USSR, and then Britain. So yeah, that's my opinion about it. If you did enjoy the video, please leave me a like, and if you have something else to say in the comments, or leave comments for some people who may want a different opinion than mine, please leave comments below. I'll be happy to read them and also give feedback of my opinions if somebody wants to ask a question or something. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.